Okay, guys, hello, this is Nicholas, and today we're talking about present continuous or present progressive. They are the same, okay? And when we talk about present continuous, it means that we are speaking about activities that are happening in the moment, okay? Now, in this video, I pointed out examples and grammatical structures for you to create interrogative, affirmative, and negative sentences. Okay? Let's start. So when we have an interrogative sentence, we this is the formula for you to pay attention. We have the WH question, we have the verb to be, we have the person or the subject pronoun, the verb with ing, the complement, and always remember the question mark. Okay? What is the verb to be? Is, and are. Okay? Remember that. So, for example, what are we doing now? What are we doing now, guys? Yes, we are learning English. And what is it that you are learning? We are learning present continuous. Okay? Very good. Let's continue. What is your mother doing? What? WH question. Is your mother doing? Why do we use is? Huh? Is because mother. We're talking about mother, and mother is one person. That's why we use is. Okay? What is your sister doing? Okay? What is your sister doing? I don't know. What is your brother eating? What is your brother eating? Now, my brother is eating hamburger. Yes, he is eating hamburger. Okay, let's continue. Is your sister playing with your niece? Okay. This is optional. Remember, the WH question is optional. Okay, you can ask questions like this. Is your sister playing with your niece? ¿Está tu hermana jugando con tu sobrina? Okay, very good. Let's continue. When we have a negative sentence, we have this formula. Remember, the person or the subject pronoun, the verb to be negative. And what is the verb to be negative, guys? Remember, the verb to be is is, and are. Now, the negative form is am not, is not, or the contraction isn't, are not, or the contraction aren't. Repeat, am not, isn't, aren't. Very good. Now, we continue with the verb with ing. Always the verb with ing and the complement. Okay? For example, my mother isn't working now. My mother isn't working now. Mi mamá no está trabajando ahora. Okay? We aren't eating. Nosotros no estamos comiendo. What are we doing now? Yes, we are studying English. Okay, let's continue. My sister isn't cooking. Okay? My father isn't jumping. Or I am not reading. What are you doing, guys? You are listening to the teacher. Okay, let's continue with the affirmative sentence. How do you create an affirmative sentence? So, person, verb to be, verb with ing, and complement. What is it? Person, I, verb to be with I, am, verb with ing, studying, and complement English. It means I am studying English. I am studying English. Or she is writing. She is writing. Or they are thinking. They are thinking. Ellos están pensando. Okay? Or my mother is reading. Yeah, very good. Now, look at the picture. We're going to have some practice. Look at the picture. What is she doing? She is working. Very good. She is working. Remember, always communicate with complete sentences. Person, verb to be, verb with ing, and complement. She is working. Very good. Let's have some practice. What are they doing? What are they doing, guys? Maybe they are doing homework. Ellos están haciendo la tarea. They are doing homework. Very good. How about this one? What is he doing? Huh? Sleeping. No, remember, always complete sentences. So he is sleeping on his bed. He is sleeping on his bed. Very good. And finally, this is what we like to do. What are they doing? Huh? Yes, they are playing video games. Okay? They are playing video games. Okay, guys, this is all for today. See you soon. Goodbye.